windstorm rips through Monterrey, Mexico. Gusts up to 75 miles per hour ravage this city of just over 1 million people, smashing out windows and forcing people to flee flying glass. Desperate homeowners scramble to keep their houses intact. The incessant winds fan the flames of countless fires, pushing rescue crews to the limit. A previously contained forest fire reignites and doubles in size. Debris blocks roads as drivers struggle with the powerful winds. A massive freeway sign dangles precariously until the bus can't avoid the 6-ton metal sign. 15 passengers are on board. Paramedics arrive at the scene. 6 passengers suffer injuries, none life-threatening. The windstorm lasts for more than 7 hours and leaves 2 people dead. 122 vehicles are damaged, and an estimated 450,000 lose power. A strong cold front blowing it off the Gulf of Mexico is responsible for the massively destructive storm. Damages across the city are in the millions.